Well, ladies and gentlemen, aerial photography firm Sky's video depicts the start of construction on the line megacity, which is being created as part of the Neom plan in Saudi Arabia. The linear metropolis, which is being developed in the northwest of Saudi Arabia, can be seen in progress in the drone footage taken by Sky. Numerous excavators can be seen in the footage digging a long, straight trench in the desert. The city, which is anticipated to be 170 kilometers long, is projected to have its foundations erected inside the trench. The construction may possibly be a precursor to a subterranean transportation network that will run the entire length of the city. The line, which was unveiled earlier this year, can accommodate 9 million people. It will feature a mirrored facade and stand 500 meters tall. Many people weren't confident that the idea would be realized once it was announced, but the video appears to show that construction on the city is currently under progress. We have previously done a full-length, in-depth video on the mirror line, which we highly recommend you have a look at. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done it already, please tap that like button and hit subscribe, as we really appreciate it and it helps us to bring out more content that we know you enjoy. Thank you for watching Luxury Living.